How to avoid copyright claim in your videos. Now there's a lot of video on YouTube explaining how to avoid copyright claims, and what I've observed is that most people tell you to watch the audios you are using in your video. That is also very important, and YouTube have a solution for that because they have an audio library which you could go to download music from there that you could synchronize with your videos and you won't have a copyright claim. So YouTube have an audio library, so just check that out later. And other people will talk about your video, especially when you are doing reaction. When you are in the reaction niche, you should be careful the kind of videos you are reacting to, because some of them will get you in trouble. Some of them would get your page taken down. You get a strike from YouTube, a copyright claim, or you be flagged, whichever one. All of them, it's problems. They are all problems. So there is another way to avoid copyright claim that a lot of people are not talking about, and that is what I'm here to tell you today. So stay tuned, listen to what I'm about to say so you could learn. And after doing all these things that a lot of creators has explained, these videos are all over YouTube. A lot of creators has explained the music part. Be careful the kind of music you are using. So after being careful about the music, after being careful about your visuals, that's the videos, if you are doing reaction, if you don't upload original content, that's the video you filmed yourself by yourself and you acted in the video. If you are not filming original content, just like this one, if you are into reaction, after being careful with the kind of video you are reacting to, there is a final way to seal everything, so you make sure you are safe and you are not getting copyright claim. So that is what I'm about to show you guys now. So once you are done making your video, editing your video, and you're about to upload your video, after the title section, beneath the title section, there is a place where you see this video is public, this video is private, or to schedule the video section. That is where the magic is. So what you want to do is always make sure it is on private. And once your video is on private, it is not accessible. The whole world cannot watch that video yet. It is not yet accessible to the whole world. So make sure when uploading the video, after putting your description, make sure the video is on private. So once you put the video on private, do well to upload the video. Let it upload. After the video has uploaded, go to your Creator Studio. If you don't have Creator Studio, please go to your Apple Store and download YouTube Creator Studio. If you are using an Android, go to your Play Store and download YouTube Creator Studio. Once you are in your Creator Studio, you will see a section where the YouTube wrote restrictions. So if you see restrictions none, it means that your audio and your video has no copyright claim in it. So YouTube has this robot that they have put in place to scan people's audio and video for copyright. So if your video is in private and you have a copyright claim, either in the audio or the video, YouTube will notify you. They will even send you an email telling you that this section or this part of your video or this part of your audio from so minute to so minute has a copyright claim. But if your video was not in private, immediately you upload it, it will go straight to the public. So if there's any problem, if you're having any copyright claim, your page is going to get striked or flagged by YouTube because your content has already been uploaded for public consumption. So that is why you have to always put your video in private. After putting your video in private, upload your video, wait for 10 to 15 minutes for YouTube to do what they do best. They will scan your video, scan the audio for problems. If there's no problem in your audio and video, then you would see restrictions none. If there's a problem, you will see restriction copyright. And also YouTube offer a way for you to solve this problem just in case your video has copyright. Your channel has no problem yet, you have not been flagged. YouTube is only notifying you that there is a problem in this video that you're about to upload though, so do something about it before you put it in public, because if you put it in public, your channel is going to have issues. So that is what YouTube is just trying to tell you, that you should fix this problem before you put it in public. So remember, private, not public. So when your video or audio has problem and YouTube notify you, do not panic. We could still fix this from the Creator Studio. So just go straight, click on the copyright. YouTube is going to show you if it's coming from audio or it's coming from video. Whichever one that is coming from, there is a solution for it. YouTube offers re-editing. YouTube will offer you help They should help you re-edit this video and remove the segments that has this copyright claim, or they should help you re-edit this audio and mute the segments that has copyright claim. If you let YouTube do this re-editing for you, it will take few minutes. YouTube will re-edit this video, either mute the segment that has copyright claim in the audio or cut out the parts that has copyright claim. And after this editing, YouTube will repackage your video just the way it is, minus the problem that it came with. They took the problem away and repackaged the video. Now you could see the restriction would change from copyright to none. So this is the perfect way to avoid copyright claim. If you are always putting your video in private, then you go to your studio to check if it has any problem or not. If it has a problem, let YouTube re-edit your video. After YouTube has re-edited the video, you would see restriction none. The copyright would go away. Then just wait for a couple minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and if there is no extra copyright claims, you could now put your video in public where the whole world could watch and consume the beautiful content that you have created. I hope this video brought information, valuable information to you guys. And if it did, please and please and please smash that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell icon so that whenever I drop another amazing video like this, you would be the first to see it. May you not go miss update too, because update go choke for this page. I'm sorry I'm speaking in pidgin, but that's me and that's my personality also. So what I'm just trying to say is that do not miss any vital information that I'm going to be dropping right on this page. So if you are yet to subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and till we meet again, peace.